Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by diagnosing, not guessing. Open battery settings and read the health number so you know if the cell is degrading. This tells you whether software fixes will help. Next, reboot to clear runaway processes, then force stop or swipe away heavy apps. Once done, toggle off radios you don't need, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi scanning, because radio polling is a silent battery tax. Make sure to document peak capacity and note any recent app installs before you continue. You now apply targeted optimizations. Enable adaptive battery or low power mode so the OS limits background activity intelligently, and set screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds because display duty cycle dominates drain. Then, review apps with highest battery usage and restrict background data or disable auto start. Uninstall or replace the worst offenders. Also switch to dark mode if you have an OLED, reduce brightness, and set location access to while using. Each step reduces real draw and you finish with advanced fixes. Update the OS and all apps to capture power improvements and security patches, and clear the system cache or reset app preferences to remove corrupted settings that cause wake locks. If readings jump around, perform one full charge then discharge to calibrate reported percentage, because calibration helps the software estimate capacity. If problems persist, back up and perform a factory reset. This erases software causes. If none of that helps, suspect hardware and seek a battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.